Okay, ang pagkakaroon ng balanced nutrition ay binibigay to sa atin ng ating product, no? Yung shake natin. So, bakit? Kasi po ang ating shake ay merong 30% fats, 35% protein, and 40% carbohydrate. So, it's a complete meal in one shake. So, yun po. So, ano po ba yung sinasabing balanced nutrition? Ayan. So, sabi niya dito, ang pagkakaroon ng balanced nutrition ay nagbibigay sa atin sa ating katawan na para mag-functions tayo optimally, including consuming enough proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, fluids, and fiber. So, meron din siyang 29% consuming food regularly to keep our body functioning at optimal level, 3 square meals a day. At syempre, meron din siyang 5% consuming as many calories as you can burn in order to maintain your body weight.